The murder trial of the man accused of killing a well-known Niagara winemaker continued today. Bradley House says he doesn't remember stabbing Paul Pender in a cottage 2 years ago. He claims his mental illness should be taken into account. Laverne McGee was in Cayuga court today, where several witnesses testified on his behalf.
Today, House's best friend took the stand. He talked about their childhood and life as young adults. He says, looking back, he should have insisted that House seek medical attention. Last February, internationally known winemaker Paul Pender was brutally stabbed to death with a chef's knife. It happened at a cottage in Selkirk. House knocked at the door looking for help, and Pender allowed him inside. House says he doesn't remember what happened and has pleaded not guilty to second-degree murder. His best friend backed up the statements House made yesterday that as early as the age of 12, House often saw ghosts and would yell at them to go away. Also, House thought that people were following him, and he had something in his ear that wouldn't go away. His best friend said that about 3 to 5 months before the murder, House was behaving exceptionally odd, saying, quote, he felt very distant. He was still kicking ghosts out of his house. We couldn't make it through a card game because he wasn't all there. Although never officially diagnosed with mental illness, his attorney claims House was psychotic and therefore not criminally guilty of murder. House also says he has a history of drug use, and today his fiancée and mother of 5 kids took the stand, saying she too has a history of drugs and mental illness. An expert psychiatrist is expected to take the stand next. The trial is expected to resume next week. In Cayuga, Laverne McGee, CHCH News.